Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice trigonometric equations given that tan x plus sec x equals root 3. And we want to find the values of x that satisfy these equations. So let's start by the solution. Here we have tan x plus sec x equals root 3. Suppose we recall from, if you have 1 plus tan square x, this equals sec squared x. So after having this, let's transfer tan to other side, as we have this written as sec squared x minus tan squared x equals 1. So this is just like difference of 2 squared, as if this is like a squared minus a is b squared. This is equals a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Applying it to this, we have sec x minus tan x in bracket multiplied by sec x plus tan x. This equals 1. Then sec x plus tan x has been given as root 3. By replacing it here, we are going to have sec x minus tan x multiplied by root 3 equals 1. If this is what we have, let's divide both sides by root 3. Dividing by root 3, we have sec x minus tan x equals 1 divided by root 3. If I name this as equation 1, so let's recall from the given real equations, which is tan x plus sec x equals root 3. Let me call this one equation 2. Then after having this, we can see that by applying the elimination method of a simultaneous equations, tan cancels tan. Then we add sec x plus sec x, which gives us 2 sec x equals, adding this together as well, we are going to have 1 divided by root 3 plus root 3 over 1. As when we find the LCM, that is the least common multiple of this, we are going to have 2 sec x equals 1 plus root 3 will multiply root 3, and that is 3 divided by root 3. So after having this, we are going to add this together, which is equals 4 divided by root 3. But here we have 2, so 2 reduce 4 into 2, as we are going to have sec x equals 2 divided by root 3. But you have to understand that this sec x is an identity of, then we have sec x equals 2 divided by root 3. So having this, note that sec x is given as 1 divided by cos x equals 2 divided by root 3. Having this, let's cross multiply. By cross multiplying, we have 2 cos x equals root 3. And dividing both sides by 2 here, this cancels this. Then cos x equals root 3 divided by 2. But what values gives us root 3 over 2 when we press it using calculator? So here are many, but one of them as the smallest is, let's say we press cos of 30. This gives us root 3 divided by 2. So it gives us root 3 divided by 2. Cancelling cos here, we are going to have x equals 30. So x as 30 degree is one of the satisfiable value of x for this given trigonometric equations. There are many to this, and if we know it, we can just drop it in the comment box. Let's make this thing engaging. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.